Today on Knowing the 925, we are at Polar Bear Rolled Ice Cream here in Oakley. Let's go check it out. As local realtors, my team and I are often asked about the places in our town. I want to share some of our favorite businesses with you. I'm Carrie Cross with the Cross Group at Intero Real Estate, and this is Knowing the 925. Thank you so much for having me here. Tell us about the place.
This is Polar Bear Rolled Ice Cream in Oakley, California. About 9 months ago, me and my wife, it was my wife's dream to open up a rolled ice cream business, and about 9 months ago we opened it up right here in downtown Oakley. We are not a franchise. Every day we're coming up with different ice creams to bring out. People don't know how the technique works. The technique is basically come from Thailand. It's Thailand fried ice cream. A lot of people don't know what it is. They come in and want a scoop of ice cream. We're not a scoop of ice cream. It's like a show we put on for people to see how ice cream is actually made, and it's fun. The kids love to come in and watch it get done.
Try the strawberry banana flavor that they made. I have the one here that I made, but I'm sure it doesn't taste quite as good as this one. So I'm going to try this one first. This is the strawberry banana. That is so good. This is not like normal ice cream. You guys have to come and check it out. It's right here in Oakley. I'll put all the information below, and we'll see you next time on Knowing the 925. Bye.